Bitcoin money in every practical sense is a mid-position digital money at present estimated at $247.21 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4.825,837,250 win, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Over the past couple of years, digital currencies, including Bitcoin money, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and generally are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. A few institutional financial backers even essentially consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which really is genuinely critical. Retail financial backers and merchants in a real sense are keen on digital currencies, for example, BCH in light of the fact that this truly is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources especially have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a genuinely brief timeframe, showing how Bitcoin money in every practical sense is a mid-position digital currency as of now evaluated at $247.21 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4.825,837,250 win, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. These profits truly are in every practical sense impossible in extremely different business sectors, which by and large is the motivation behind why most exceptionally moderate financial backers in every way that really matters are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital forms of money like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones truly give a huge part of their funding to this quickly creating resource class in a truly significant manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $247.21, where it as of now sits in a quite enormous manner. As currently referenced, BCH really is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 18th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the by and large metric still up in the air, by duplicating the current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which explicitly is very critical. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization by and large stands at $4.825,837,250 win. The significance of this boundary will be certainly made sense of later, which generally is very critical. Our cost expectation calculation in every practical sense is planned in certainly such a way that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough by and large survey the condition of their portfolio and fundamentally choose whether or not it basically has to truly be reconfigured. Which explicitly is very huge. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which is in every practical sense essential for the truly right assessment of both especially current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its in every practical sense, present and future bearing. Underneath you will especially find pretty key passages of this verifiable information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market fundamentally is going in a by and large significant manner. Yesterday, on October 1st, BCH basically was esteemed at $234.34 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, especially recollect that digital currencies are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unpretentious manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 5.20%, or so they for the most part thought. 7 days prior, on September 25, Bitcoin money by and large was exchanged at $204.70 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its truly present position, which explicitly shows that at this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $247.21 where it right now sits. Which certainly is genuinely huge. On September 2, which truly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $199.74, the cost level that is at the distance of 23.77% from where it right now stands, which especially is genuinely critical. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX especially are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Market capitalization for the most part is another significant truly metric that by and large assists traders with truly deciding the ubiquity of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities in an unobtrusive manner. It's additionally used to for the most part survey the offer that Bitcoin money explicitly holds inside the truly whole digital currency market, which generally is very huge. The equation for the computation of market capitalization for the most part is somewhat basic. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to is duplicated by its by and large current cost in an unobtrusive manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH for the most part remains at $4,825,837,250 win, enough to name it the 18th, especially the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which basically is very huge. Yesterday, on October 1st, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money generally remained at $4,574,100 so in every practical sense, retail financial backers and brokers really keen on digital currencies, exceptionally, for example. BCH on the grounds that this basically is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources for the most part have the fundamentally potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately sort of brief timeframe, showing how Bitcoin money sort of is a mid-positioned cryptographic money right now evaluated at $247.21 that has a place with the class of mineable coins. With a market capitalization of $4,825,837,250 win in a sort of huge manner. 7 days prior, on September 25th, the capitalization of BCH truly was $3,994,364,140, showing yesterday, in October 1st, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money remained at $4,574,100 so retail financial backers and merchants certainly are extremely keen on digital currencies, exceptionally, for example. BCH in light of the fact that this truly is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources most certainly have the very potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally in every practical sense, brief timeframe, showing how Bitcoin money all things considered is a mid-positioned cryptographic money presently evaluated at $247.21 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $4,825,837,250 win. A month prior, on September 2nd, how much really capital streaming around this in every practical sense, specific market sort of added up to $3,893,433,735 in an unobtrusive manner. Most digital money financial backers essentially stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a very certain digital currency and its capacity to sort of endure disturbances, which especially are the very normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, or so they sort of thought. The most extreme stockpile of Bitcoin money in every way that really matters is 21,000,000 BCH. The very complete inventory of BCH at present essentially remains at 19,528